Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are outside. I thought, why not? It's a nice day, it's beautiful. So I just wanted to come back with an update. It's been a month. Can you guys believe it already? It's been a month since I've been on YouTube, and I'm just gonna let you guys know about my experiences so far and what I've learned, what I've discovered, what I like, what I don't like. So let's begin with what I've learned. I've learned to edit finally. Yeah, now I'm sure you've seen the difference between my first few videos and my recent ones. Now I know how to put clips together instead of just making a one take for everything. And I discovered that when you go for the free ones, they always have watermarks at the bottom. And even though they say yes, you can use our software, but then afterwards when you try to export it, then you have watermarks. Second thing that I've learned is that it does take a long time to gain subscribers, and even though you tag it right and you do all the things that you're supposed to do theoretically, it does take a lot of marketing, and that marketing costs money. So far I haven't dabbled into marketing my channel, but I think in the future I will, because it just helps you to get to the next stage a little bit faster. And I mean, for less than $100 you can gain a lot of subscribers through Google AdWords. There's something called Sharry as well that you can use, and it will be beneficial, I think, later on, because I want to see how far I can get with my channel. Now, what I didn't like, I didn't know that it takes so long to edit stuff, and then after editing, then you still have to do your description and everything else. It's really noisy here. Anyhow, so that's what I wanted to come and tell you guys, and thank you for those of you that have subscribed and are on this journey with me. I think from now on I'm going to do a little bit more of like expat in Croatia videos, because they seem to be getting more traction than my other videos. And I think because there are a lot of new things that I've discovered about this city that I live in, and I love living here in Croatia. So I think I'll take you guys on a few more little excursions and a few interesting journeys, so you guys can see for yourself what Croatia can be like. Okay, so anyhow, thank you very much for being with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Tell me, what do you think I should do next? And also, what do you think of my progress so far? It's a month in and I'm still here and I'm still doing it. So have a great day. Bye.